Today we are in rural Bani Madi, and being here means so much to me in my heart. We are at the Egyptian Orphan Fund, and through this centre, it is an Australian-based charity registered centre who helps over 200 children through holistic teaching, education, healthcare and much more. And today I'm bringing you along with me to see this great cause and what they're doing for the children here. Let's go. This is Shireen. She is one of the people that first came up with this concept and idea and has been running this project for multiple years. How many years has it taken?
13 years.
13 years to get to this point. Do you mind telling us a little bit of details about what you do?
Yep, sure. We care for over 200 orphans in 3 different locations.
Yep.
In Nalba, in Shams, and this is our centre in Bani Madi where we're caring for over 100 kids.
Oh wow.
So they don't actually live with us. They're orphans living with their parents or a grandmother or an aunt.
Okay, so they're living with a family member.
Their father has passed away. So that was the kitchen that we went through. We cook 200 meals a week, and we distribute them twice a week. And just through here, as you can hear, the kids are going
I can hear it.
Education classes.
مركزين.
So we had Arabic classes, religion classes, math classes and English classes.
English as well.
English
That's
as well.
amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely
But
amazing.
today it's religion.
That's perfect. دلوقتي هنروح نعمل بسكوت اسمه كوكيز. انتوا عارفين الكوكيز ايه؟ اوكي. تجوا معي؟ يلا تعالوا. Let's go. كنت عسل انت. اوكي. هنعمل الكوكيز بس انا هشغلكم لإلكم عشان انا عايزه ارتاح. ممكن؟ ممكن؟ اوكي. We are going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. Even to source the chocolate chips in this rural area was extremely difficult. So a very big thank you to Shireen for sourcing it out for us. And I'm going to get the kids involved and they can do it as well. أنتوا جاهزين?
Yes!
Yes. Okay. هنبدأ بالزبدة أول. أنت خلاص come over here. قلبوا بعض عشان السكر والزبدة يختلطوا بعض كويس قوي. All right. Who else wants to turn? برضو عايزين هسه دقيق. جاهز؟ هخليك بقى تخلط يلا. ميكسر. I think the boys here are more excited than the girls with making their own cookies. And they keep telling me, add more flour, add more flour. And you're going to end up with too much, you're going to get sick of it. But nope, they're definitely not going to get sick of it, they said. Yeah, and it goes to show you they don't see a lot that the world has to offer. So a fund such as the Egyptian Orphan Fund provides so much for the younger generation. And hopefully this will be something that stays with them and they can practice and make it at home one day as well. You never know. Okay, so now we've got all the cookies ready that the kids make, and I can't take any credit for it. It's going straight in the oven. Let's bake it so they can enjoy it and celebrate it as well. Okay, so here at the centre, it's once a month a birthday party is celebrated, and for all the children who were born that month end up celebrating together. So we have 7 today and we're celebrating 7 birthdays on the same day. Now we can start. You got it wrong. You got it wrong. I love this song, by the way. Wow! Here you go, Yusuf. Do we have one more?
She's not. She doesn't.
جاية تانية بسنت السيد جايبة درجة 272 ونص. سقفوا لها يا جماعة.
The cookies are now ready and the kids are going to enjoy them once they cool down, and I could not be happier than I am right now working with these beautiful children around me. I hope you all take into consideration that there are so many in need. Check out the links that I'm attaching in the captions and you know where to donate, and check out all the information. I hope you all have a great day. Ululam, bye. Bye. Bye.